Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe to learn and grow daily. Now let's look at something known as a tram track sign. Tram track sign on radiology. So in the tram track sign, they are the medical signs. Which are similar to that of the tram track, or it is also known as simply known as the railway track sign. So let's look at the pulmo. So what is the significance of the tram track sign in case of pulmo? So here in pulmonology, there is when found in the lungs, the tram tracks are radiological signs that are usually accompanied by the pulmonary edema in case of congestive heart failure, as well as the bronchiostasis. So it is seen in case of CHF and in case of bronchiectasis. So it is accompanied as a pulmonary edema. And next is the tram tracks here caused by the bronchial wall thickening and can be detected by lateral chest X-ray. So it is a bronchial wall thickening which results, and it is detected by the lateral chest X-ray. Next we move on to something known as the next system which we are talking about is the nephrology. So under nephro, the term tram tracks are used to describe the basement membrane duplication found on the light microscopy that is characteristic of MPGN. So MPGN type 1, there is a light microscopy, and this is nothing but the description of the basement membrane. So this basement membrane duplication is what we are referring to. Next, it is less commonly associated with the type 1 and 2 and 3. So it is very less compared to that of type 2 as well as type 3. Next, we move on to the neurology. So under neurology, the term has been described to finding associated with the optic nerve sheath meningioma. So optic nerve sheath meningioma. So optic nerve sheath meningioma, and the tram track shaped calcification in the cerebral cortex indicates the Sturge-Weber syndrome. So it also known as Sturge-Weber syndrome. So it's optic nerve sheath meningioma and the Sturge-Weber syndrome. So that was in neurology, the Sturge-Weber syndrome as well as optic nerve meningioma. Next we move on to in case of mammary glands. What happens in the mammary glands? The tram track appearance in the mammary gland is the USG which indicates the duct ectasia. So it is appearance in the mammography. So it appears as mammography, and there is a USG which indicates the duct ectasia. So duct ectasia. To watch more videos like these and grow daily, subscribe to the Dr. Hub channel.